In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom terms and conditions in Circle. So, to get started, log into Circle.so and open your community using an administrator account. You'll need admin level access because these settings are managed at the community level, not from a regular member view. Once you're inside your community, head to the top left corner of the screen and click on your community name or logo. This will open the main navigation area where you can access your settings. From there, click into Settings. This is where Circle keeps the core customization options for your community, including the legal and policy-related sections. Inside Settings, look for the area related to custom terms of service and privacy policy. This is the section that allows you to replace the default setup with policies tailored to your own community. Now it's time to add your custom terms and conditions. In the Terms of Service field, enter or update the content you want members to agree to. This can include your community rules, membership conditions, refund policies, acceptable use guidelines, or any other terms that are important for your business or member experience. Make sure the language is clear and easy to understand, since this is what members will be reviewing during the sign-up or checkout process. If needed, add your privacy policy as well. This is especially important if your community collects member information or uses personal data in any specific way. Your privacy policy should accurately explain how information is collected, stored, and used so members know what to expect. Once you've added or updated both policies, save or publish your changes. Don't skip this part because your edits won't go live until they're saved properly. After saving, it's a good idea to verify that everything appears the way you expect. Next, test the member experience. If you're using Circle's paid memberships, go through the checkout flow yourself. This helps you confirm that the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy Agreement appears correctly before a member completes a purchase. Testing it yourself is one of the easiest ways to catch formatting issues or missing information before your members do.